Hey everyone, welcome back to Gamecraft. Today I'm super excited to share with you the fastest and easiest way to earn Robux for free. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your Robux making game, I've got some great tips for you. But before we dive in, I've got an awesome announcement. When our channel hits 100 subscribers, I'll be doing a massive Robux giveaway for our royal fans. Yep, you heard that right. Stick around till the end for all the details on how to enter. Alright, let's jump into it. Starting with the simplest method asking for Robux in games like Please Donate and Starving Artists. Now, I know this might sound like a long shot, but sometimes patience pays off. While it's not a guaranteed way to earn tons of Robux, you might just get lucky with some generous players. Here's a tip. Personalize your request. Instead of just asking for Robux, tell players why you need it. Maybe you're saving up for a cool item or working on a game project. This can sometimes encourage others to help you out. And remember, persistence is key. The more time you spend in these games, the better your chances. Now, if you're looking for something more substantial, why not try your hand at game development? Creating your own game on Roblox can be incredibly rewarding. If you're skilled with Roblox Studio, you could earn hundreds of thousands of Robux from just one successful game. Yes, it takes time and effort, but the payoff can be huge. Let me break it down. Start small with simple game idea, something you manage with your current skills. As you gain more experience, you can add new features, improve the graphics, and even collaborate with other developers. And don't forget about monetization. Adding in-game purchases or premium content can significantly boost your earnings. Here's a quick story from one of my friends who started as a complete beginner. He spent a few months learning the basics of Roblox Studio through YouTube tutorials and online courses. His first game wasn't a hit, but he kept refining his skills. Now, just a year later, he's earning thousands of Robux every month from his games. The key takeaway here is to stay patient and keep learning. Success in game development doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication, you can achieve amazing results. But if game development isn't your thing, don't worry, I've got another cool method for you. Have you ever thought about designing clothing and accessories? This can be a super fun way to earn Robux while letting your creativity shine. After watching a few tutorials, you can start designing and selling your own wearables. Now, I know some of you might be thinking I'm not that artistic, but trust me, you don't have to be a professional designer to succeed. It's Roblox. There are tons of free tools and templates out there that can help you get started. For example, you can use software like GIMP or Paint.net, which are both free and easy to learn. Start by creating simple t-shirts or accessories. Once you get the hang of it, you can experiment with more complex designs. Remember, it's important to stay on top of trends. Check out what's popular in the Roblox catalog and use that as an inspiration for your creations. And don't forget, you'll need a Roblox group to sell your designs, which cost 100 Robux. If you're short on Robux, don't skip the next tip because it could be the perfect solution for you. Now, this is the part I've been really excited to share with you the most. Effortlessly and efficient way to rack up thousands of Robux. If you haven't heard of Microsoft Rewards, listen up. Microsoft Rewards gives you points just for using their search engine, Bing. You can exchange these points for Robux. Yes, it's that simple. All you have to do is search a Bing, collect points, and redeem them for Robux. Let me give you detailed walkthrough. First, you need to sign up for Microsoft Rewards. It's completely free. Once you're signed up, just use Bing as your search engine instead of Google or any other search engine. You'll earn points for every search you make. There are also daily quizzes, surveys, and other activities that can help you earn points even faster. It's a good idea to set Bing as your default search engine and make it a habit to complete these activities daily. Over time, these points really add up. To give you an idea, with consistent effort, you could be earning thousands of Robux every few weeks without spending a dime. I've got a video in the description that walks through how to get started with Microsoft Rewards, so be sure to check that out. And here's a pro tip. Make sure to log in every day to maximize your point earning potential. It's an easy passive way to build up your Robux balance over time. Now, back to what giveaway I mentioned earlier. As a big thank you for all your support, I'm hosting a Robux giveaway when we hit 100 subscribers. To enter, make sure you've subscribed to the channel and leave a comment on this video. I'm really excited about this because it's my way of giving back to this awesome community I want to build. Once we hit 100 subscribers, I randomly select a winner and announce it in a special video. So don't miss out, hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below to enter. And hey, while you are here, let me know in the comments which method you're most excited to try. I love hearing from you guys, and your feedback helps me create content that's even more helpful. Plus, If you've got any tips of your own for earning Robux, feel free to share them in this community, because this is all about helping each other out. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope these tips help you on your Robux journey. Thank you so much for watching, and let's hit that 100 subscribers milestone together. I can't wait to do this giveaway. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.